my YouTube channel. So in today's video it's gonna be a chit chat get ready with me. I like to share some news and some things with you guys. So I thought it was a nice idea to do that while doing my makeup. If you are new here on my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. It's totally free and then you can see all my new videos. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you like, you can also follow me on Instagram. Now let's get started. It's really hot still here in Turkey, so I'm just gonna do my makeup, but not too much I think. Just maybe a little bit foundation, some blush, bronzer, maybe a little bit of eyeshadow. I don't have really one look that I want to do, but yeah, we're just gonna play with some makeup. So I'm starting off with a base and I'm using the Flormar Illuminating Primer Makeup Base. My skin normally is quite dry, but lately I've been have some breakouts here on my forehead, which I'm really not happy about. If someone has some tips for it, I would love to hear them. I don't really know why I have them, because I've been eating the same food I always eat. And normal, my skin is very dry, so I don't have a lot of breakouts, but they're only here. So if someone have a tip, then please let me know in the comments. And I am just going to apply this with my hands. So while I'm filming this, I think it will go up in August or September, I'm not really sure yet. But everyone is already posting a lot of fall decorate with me and fall makeup. So what do you guys think? Are you excited for the fall or are you not ready to say goodbye to the summer yet? I don't feel really like fall is coming because here in Turkey it's still really hot. So I don't feel like we are going into fall, but of course it's almost that time of the year. So now I'm going to apply my foundation and I'm using the Wet n Wild Cover All Cream Foundation and it's in the color, let me see, here's the color, it's in the color Fair. And it's a really cheap foundation, I'm not wearing it too often, but yeah, it's okay. And I'm going to apply the foundation with the Real Techniques Face Expert brush. If it's come out, yeah, there we go. Just buffing this in. It's a little bit light for me now. This color is now a little bit too light for me because normally I am really pale. But because it's summer I get a little bit more of a tan, but no worries, we're gonna bronze it up later with some cream bronzer. As some of you know, I am living in Turkey. If you are new to my channel, you probably don't know it and maybe you don't even care. But yeah, I'm living in Turkey and I'm going next month visit my family in the Netherlands. And I'm so excited for it. And while I'm going to the Netherlands, I have a really nice package waiting for me because it's going to be my first camera. And you guys, I'm so excited for my first camera. Some of you maybe know it, but I'm still filming with my phone. And I edit everything on my phone, film everything. And now I finally get a camera and I am beyond excited for that. So I will get better quality here on my channel, which I'm really happy about. A lot sharper and yeah, I'm really excited. For the people who are interested in which camera I get, I got the Canon G7X. I thought it was a good camera also to vlog with because when I'm in the Netherlands people also go to Disneyland Paris. So yeah, then I can vlog there, and also here in Turkey I like to vlog. So the G7X was a great option. Now I'm going in with a concealer, and for that I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the color Ivory. A little bit underneath my eyes, also a little bit on my eyelids. I like to use a concealer for a eyeshadow base Before I always used a normal eyeshadow base. Sometimes I do it, but for daily use I just use my concealer. I think it's a lot more easy and quick. It's on my nose. Just a little bit here. So yeah, I'm really excited for the camera. If someone has the G7X, I would like to hear your experience with it. But also the G7X is good for vlogging, but I thought it was also a really good camera just in general to film my makeup tutorials and sit down videos as well. Yeah, so in September I will go to the Netherlands and I'm planning on to vlog there. Maybe also make some videos with my sister. My sister is also a major Disney fan, so I thought it was nice also to make a few Disney videos. Of course I won't spam you guys with Disney content, but maybe I will post them 1 or 2 months later, a few, because otherwise my channel will be all Disney and maybe some of you guys are not even interested in Disney content. So I will not post Disney all at once, of course. So now I'm going in with a cream bronzer and I'm using the Chanel 10 de Soleil because I feel my foundation is a little bit too white right now. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. I'm sorry if you hear cars or things outside, but it's really hot. So I just opened the windows. Otherwise I'd be melting here. And also I would like to know what you guys like to see in the Netherlands. Would you like to see Netherlands vlogs, Netherlands food videos? Just let me know. I would love to hear what you like to see. So I feel now it's matched a little bit better with my skin. I really love this Chanel bronzer, especially in the summer, because in the winter I'm always really pale, but in the summer I'm a little bit more tan. Of course, for some people I'm still really pale, but yeah, I love to apply then some Soleil 10 de Chanel bronzer. Now I'm going to apply some powder, and this is the Stay Matte powder from Rimmel, and it's in the color 05 Silky Beige. Because I already used a cream bronzer, I'm just going to contour a little bit, and for that I'm using this MAC blush. It is a blush, but I contour with it. It's in the color Harmony, and this is a taupey kind of matte shade. And I'm just going to contour a little bit, not too heavy. So I also wanted to say, maybe because I go to the Netherlands to visit my family, I pre-film some of my videos. So it's possible that they are not with my new camera, but still on my phone, so that you guys know that. After I apply some blush, and for that I'm using this Rituals blush, and it's in the color Peach Glow. And it's a really nice peachy shade. So maybe I pre-film a few videos, because of course I visit my family in the Netherlands and I don't want to be busy only with filming and editing and uploading. Of course my videos will be every Wednesday like usual, but yes, then you guys know maybe some of my videos are pre-filmed with my phone, so they are still the same quality, not with my new camera, or maybe they are, I don't know yet, we'll see. But my upload schedule will be just the same every Wednesday evening. And now I'm going to use a highlighter, and this is Goddess of Love, and it's from I Heart Makeup, and it's in the color Golden Goddess. I will apply this as a highlighter. Really nice golden highlighter shade. I mentioned it already on my Instagram, but not on my YouTube channel yet. But I am so excited that I hit the 1000. I really can't believe it. Yes, thank you so much for all your support, lovely messages, likes, subscribes, everything. I appreciate it really much, and yeah, I hope to continue to make more videos for you guys. Okay, so now the face is done. Now I'm going to do something about my eyebrows. And for that I'm using my all-time favorite eyebrow pencil from Golden Rose. And it's in the color 306. It's a really nice and a creamy pencil, which I really like. Some of the eyebrow pencils are not that creamy, so it's a little bit harder to apply, but this is really easy. And yeah, if you're looking for a nice eyebrow pencil, definitely check out the Golden Rose eyebrow pencils. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow, and for that I'm using the Naked palette. You can see I used it a lot. And see, I'm not going to do something dramatically. I think I'm first going in with the matte shade, which is called Naked. And I'm going to apply this color in my crease. Now I'm going in with the other matte shade, which is called Buck. Now I'm going in with this white shade, which is called Virgin, and I'm going to apply this underneath my eyebrow and a little bit in my inner corner. Now I'm going in with this color, which is called Toasted, and it's a little bit of a dark shimmery pink tone. And I go apply this on my eyelids. Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and this is the Essence Liquidly Ink eyeliner. So I'm not really a winged eyeliner kind of girl, but I'm just going for a little thin winged eyeliner. Then I'm going to use some mascara, and I'm using the Yves Rocher Sexy Pulp Mascara. So yeah, I just wanted to share some news with you about the camera that I get soon, and about my Netherlands trip, my Disney trip. And I also just wanted to say in this video that I'm very grateful for all your support and love. Does anyone else do that? I can't do my mascara with a straight face. My mouth is always moving in weird directions. And of course the last step is the lips, and for that I'm using the sleek, let's see, Matte Me in the color Birthday Suit. And normally I'm not really about matte lips, but today I just thought, why not? Let's go for a change. So yeah, in this video I just wanted to share about my new camera, my trip to the Netherlands and Disneyland. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!